In this video, I'm going to show you how to close Chrome, Edge, Firefox, browser, tabs with keyboard shortcut. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, first thing, just open up Firefox and then just go ahead, open the tab as you want. So first thing, go ahead, add your tab and just click on Control W. There is the shortcut on how to close tabs, and this shortcut works on Edge and on Google Chrome as well. Now just go ahead, open up Edge, and then just add your tab, and then just go ahead, click on Control W. And now just go ahead, open up Google Chrome. As you can see now, just go ahead, add the tab, and then click on Control W. And that's how to close Chrome, Edge, Firefox browser, tabs with keyboard shortcut. As always, thank you for watching.